Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can transform a shape in your drawings on LibreOffice Draw into a 3D object. You can do this with some or with a selected number of shapes and objects, like triangles, for example. So let us dive into this and show you how it's done. So navigate to LibreOffice Draw, access the page. Let me start with a new page here for demonstration purposes and insert a triangle here on the left hand side. Click into the shape tool, select the triangle and position it on your canvas by setting a start and an end point with your left mouse. So what you want to do is select the select tool in the top left, right click into your object, and here guys, once you have right clicked into it, hover your mouse over transformations, not convert but transformations, and here choose in 3D rotation object, and you will see the option here to the right. So oops, let me just undo this. So again, I just pressed enter accidentally. So right click, transformations into 3D object, and now for example you can position it as a 3D object, customize and resize it, change it or adjust its position, size, the angle, and yeah, basically anything you can do with 3D objects. You will also be redirected to the position and size tab here in your selected objects properties, so that you may change the position, the width, the height, and so on and so forth. You may also click into these handles here, and then they will change the color, so that you may, for instance, rotate the 3D object or change some dimensions by clicking into these border points here, and by once you see that border point switching its appearance to these double arrows here, left click into them and yeah, move your mouse to adjust, for instance, that angle to see the 3D object, I don't know, from the bottom for instance, or from the top. That's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.